friends, welcome back. Today I am going to make a budget build with 3600. As you can see the components what we are going to use, but I'll quickly brush it up. So for motherboard we are using from MSI B450 Pro VD H motherboard, and this is the max version which is by default BIOS updated, and also you get an RGB header with this max version. It's a nice upgrade from a previous motherboard from B450 Pro VDH to max. RAM we are going to use an Vengeance from Corsair, which is 3000 MHz, 8 gigs. Processor we are using 3600 from AMD. SSD is WD240GB M.2. SMPS is VS450, and the cabinet is Corsair Spec 05. Along this we are going to add an RX 570 because this is a budget build. We got a 570 at a very cheap price from Asus, so that is the reason we are going to put it in it. So let's assemble it and check it out. We have prepared our motherboard with processor, SSD and RAM. Everything is installed. Now let's prep our cabinet wiring so that it will be easy for us to route the wire. So I'll keep this aside. So 24 pin cable. In this cabinet, in the toolbox, we get some screws for SSDs. These are for radiators, and these are some zip ties for your cable management. These are your motherboard screws, and these screws are for fans. So if you want to install any additional fan, you can use the screw and install the fans. They have also given some standoffs. These are few more screws. There is one standoff in this. If you lose one of the standoffs, or if you require an additional standoff, they have given. So I'll keep it. We don't need it right now. And not even the fan screws. So friends, we have assembled this machine with 3600 and RX 570 graphic card. You have seen the performance with 3D Mark test and some of the games, what FPS they have given. That was our first build of 2020. So if you want to buy any of this component or build the same rig, the component list is given down in the description box. Also the links are given, you can check them out and buy them if you want. That was our stunning build in Corsair Spec 05 cabinet. What you think about this build? If you have already 3600, please let us know what performance they are giving to you with the same configuration, or even if it is a different configuration, please write down in the comment box and let us know. If you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. We'll come again with a new video, and up till next time, goodbye.